I'm not a narcissist. You're a narcissist. You never take accountability for anything, says the narcissist. Anytime I try to bring up an issue with you, you gaslight me, just like a narcissist. You're doing all the things that you accuse me of. I don't know how you don't see it. You think you're such an expert in narcissism all of a sudden. Look in the mirror. A narcissist will abuse you and then use your reactions to their abuse to convince you that you're the narcissist. Their superiority complex makes it impossible for them to accept their faults. Narcissists are ace at projection. When they're doing something wrong, they'll project it back onto you. Over time, due to ongoing psychological abuse, a victim will start to question themselves. They'll question their reality. And that makes you start to wonder, am I the narcissist? While it's true that most narcissists don't take the time to self-reflect, if you feel you might be a narcissist, get an assessment, and you'll quickly learn that you're not the problem.